Easy Organizer Suite, the easy-to-use suite of Management Plus conversion programs.
Welcome to the Easy Organizer Suite lesson series for the Easy Embroidery File Organizer module. Easy Embroidery File Organizer allows you to organize your embroidery files. This lesson shows how to add, edit, and delete embroidery file charts in the program. For this lesson, you will need to download the Jacoby and Flowers 1 free embroidery design from the Easy Organizer Suite website. First, open Easy Organizer Suite. If you are not in the Easy Embroidery File Organizer module, click on the Easy Embroidery File Organizer icon to open it. You will see the available embroidery files on the left, arranged in categories, a blank embroidery file chart in the middle panel, and the links in the right panel. Let's begin by adding a new embroidery file chart. Select a category in the Available Embroidery Files panel. Let's select Free Designs. On the Tools menu, click Add Embroidery File. A new embroidery file chart will open. Click in the Name text box and enter the name of the embroidery file. For this lesson, let's use Jacoby and Flowers 1. Click on the Browse button and navigate to the location where you downloaded the Jacoby and Flowers 1 free embroidery design from the Easy Organizer Suite website. Click on the Open button to insert the file location in the embroidery file chart. You can click on the Open File Location button to open a Windows Explorer to the location where the embroidery file is located. You can also click on the Open in Editor button to open the embroidery file in the editor selected in Preferences. To enter the stitch count, you can either enter a number or use the up-down arrow keys to add to or subtract from the number that is in the stitch count box. Let's enter 25,000. The design size can either be in inches or millimeters, depending on what you have set in Preferences. The default is in inches, and that's what we'll use in this lesson. Enter 3.5 in the width box and 3.0 in the height box. The Designed By box will be for the person or company who designed the embroidery file. Let's put Clipartopolis in the Designed By box for this lesson. The company name box is for the company that the embroidery file came from. Let's put T. Rose Software Corp. In the company name box. You will see that the system already selected the category that you chose. You can select more than one category if you'd like. Just click on the box next to the category. Keywords are used for finding embroidery files in the Available Embroidery Files tree. You can select one or more keywords for this embroidery file by clicking in the box next to a keyword. You can assign a rating to this embroidery file by selecting one of the ratings in the Ratings drop-down. Let's select 5 stars. And enter a description. We'll enter, "This is a great embroidery file given away free on the Easy Organizer Suite website." You can add new categories right from the embroidery file chart form. Just click on the Categories link to open the Add Category form. Enter My Ultimate Favorite Embroidery Files in the name box. Since we want this category to be a top-level category, select None in the Parent drop-down. Enter These are my all-time favorite embroidery files in the description box. You can add a picture to the category if you'd like. For the purposes of this lesson, we won't add a picture to the category, but this will be covered in the System Tables Categories lesson. Click on OK to add the new category. You will see the new category in the Categories List box. To associate this new category with your new embroidery file chart, click on the box next to My Ultimate Favorite Embroidery File Charts to put a check in it. You can also add new keywords right from the embroidery file chart form. Just click on the Keywords link to open the Add Keyword form. Enter Flowers in the name box. Click on OK to add the new keyword. You will see the new keyword in the Keywords List box. To associate this new keyword with your new embroidery file chart, click on the box next to Flowers to put a check in it. To add an image to this new embroidery file chart, click on Edit Image to open the Add Edit Picture form. Click Browse to find an image in your file system. You can either select an image file or an embroidery design file. Let's select the Jacoby and Flowers 1 embroidery file where you downloaded the free design. Once you have found the file, click on Open to add the image to the picture form. Now click on OK to accept this image. You will now see the image in the embroidery file chart. Select File, Save to save the new embroidery file chart. You will now see the embroidery file in the available embroidery files tree in the category or categories that you selected. You will also see the description as a tooltip when the mouse is hovered over the embroidery file in the tree. Now close this embroidery file chart by selecting File, Close, or you can click on the Close button of the embroidery file chart form. Let's edit that embroidery file. Select the embroidery file chart in the available embroidery files tree and select Tools, Edit Embroidery File. The embroidery file chart in the middle panel will show the embroidery file that you selected. Let's change the name from Jacobean Flowers 1 to Free Jacobean Flowers 1. Let's also add a bit more to the description. Click at the end of the text in the description box and enter, "It's the first in a series of 10. Now click File, Save to save the changes. You will now see the new information in the available embroidery files tree. You can also delete an embroidery file chart. To do this, click on the embroidery file chart you would like to delete and select Tools, Delete Embroidery File Chart. The system will ask if you are sure. Click Yes. The embroidery file will be deleted and will no longer be visible in the available embroidery files tree. This concludes this lesson, How to Work with Embroidery File Charts. Please view our other lessons for the Easy Embroidery File Organizer module of Easy Organizer Suite.
Easy Organizer Suite, the easy-to-use suite of Management Plus conversion programs. Please visit us on the web at www.easyorganizersuite.com.